Society, whether we want to admit it or not, everything that we do as humans, consumers, and workers is connected to technology in some sort of way or other. For my IST 195 project, I am going to design an app that users can download to see their position along the New York State Thruway and see the wait times for the rest stops near their position. This app will enhance a user's driving experience as after a long day of driving, no one wants to stop at a rest stop that has a long wait time, so this will allow them to see the wait times for specifically the gas, bathroom, and food lines, and if the wait times are long, they can go to the next rest stop. One important concept we discussed in IST 195 that I'm going to use to design my app is web programming. In order to design my app and put my idea into reality, I need to code it. I will use JavaScript to code it so the app will be accessible for both iPhone and Android users, as well as users who are using the program through a web browser. In order to advertise my app, I will use social media. Through advertising on popular social media sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, I will be able to expose my app to a larger audience and to a more customized audience as well. Another element I will use in the creation of my app is big data. We learned about 4 types of big data: unstructured, semi-structured, structured, and geospatial, and in my app I will be using geospatial as I will need to include information on a user's position. Because there is a variety of data, many different users' locations coming in, I will need a data warehouse to store the data. Additionally, users will use a multi-factor authentication when downloading their app from either the Apple or Android stores. Because the app uses a user's location, if someone were to hack the user's account, they would be able to tell which rest stops the user has stopped at, which could be potentially dangerous. Another element I will use in my app is cloud computing. Apps run on a shared data center to help eliminate piracy, lower the cost of operations, create higher performing apps, and many more benefits. I will use Platform as a Service to specifically share tools and processes to test the development and application of my app without having to set up and manage different databases, which will be a good model for my business. Additionally, to strengthen the location services on my app, I will use an RFID tag, a radio frequency identification tag, to transmit the identity of a person wirelessly using radio waves. Someone can put an RFID tag on the inside of their car, and the app will be able to determine the user's location so they do not need to turn the location on their phone if they do not want to. In conclusion, the ability to view the wait times and level of crowdedness at rest stops along the New York State Thruway will enhance your user's driver experience, and the use of technology to do this transitions the world of road trips to a 21st century level of technology.